Instant print camera for kids. 0 ink print photo toy camera. Christmas birthday gifts for boy. 3 rolls print paper and 32 GB SD card, blue. The Child Instant Print Camera is an upgraded version of Child digital cameras. Equipped with 2.4-inch screen with 2 camera lenses, front and rear, better meet the needs of your young photographers. Capture everything from family photos to eye-catching selfies in an instant. No more waiting for photos to develop. The Instant Print Camera lets kids revel in the joy of photography with instant printing. The Instant Print Camera lets you take and print snapshots right from the camera body instantly with the push of a button. Children Instant Camera with 3 rolls print paper, thermal printing principle, without toner, easy to replace printing paper. You can choose only print/only, take photos/photo, and print/record video for options in the settings. The density of printed photos can be adjusted. The Instant Print Camera for kids can shoot professional 1080p videos and 28MP photos. This child video camera puts a world of possibilities at your fingertips. Long pressing the shutter button to change lens for taking selfies and recording funny moments with friends, a good choice for birthday party favors/gifts, holiday/Christmas gifts for girls and boys. The digital camera comes with 3 rolls of photo paper, a USB cable, which can be charged through a USB interface through various devices, and a quick start guide. The kit also includes 32 GB SD card and lanyard. Gifts kids love. Great holiday gift for kids. Make your child the king of social and record funny moments with friends. Instant camera for kids. Specification. Design. Material, ABS, display screen, 2.4-inch color screen. Video resolution, 1080p HD/photo resolution, 28MP dual camera. Battery capacity, 1000 mAh. Charging time, DC 5V, 1.5 hours. Usage time, 2 to 3 hours. Way of print, 0 ink instant print/black and white photos. Camera size, 4.7 3.9 1.8 inch. Camera weight 220G. Max support, 32 GB TF card, include. Package contains Instant Camera 1, Photo Paper Rolls 3, 32 GB SD card 1, USB cable 1, Quick Start Guide 1, Cartoon Stickers 1, Lanyard 1, USB charging, 32 GB TF card, print paper replacement tutorial. Multiple cartoon photo frame patterns. Let the children enjoy DIY painting and doodling. Dual front and rear lenses with selfie support. 1080p HD recording video.